pick whether we want to create a print or an ebook. Well, the first thing I'm going to create is a print version. Okay. End of Purgatory. Sounds very spooky, doesn't it? But it's not. You want to sell my book? Yes, I do. I do want this book. You know what? I can give a pre-order, or we'll just go with right now. It is a pre-order. Okay, and this is where you choose your book size and type. So we have an estimated page count of about 250 to 300 pages. Now we can go here, and page sizes, we have a 4x6, a 4.25 by 7, a 4.37 by 7, a 5 by 8. All these drop down lists here offer us plenty of options to choose from. Okay, so don't feel stuck with whatever you think you have to use. You do have options. So let's go with, for ours, I want it to be, I can't even remember what I formatted it as, so let me pull it up because I have it in here. Okay. I'm using InDesign for mine, but you don't have to. There are a plethora of options. Let's go to Document Setup in InDesign. It'll tell me it's a 5 by 8. Okay, perfect. So it is a 5 by 8. And now I get to choose the interior print color. I'm going to go with a black and white. And this is going to be for my paperback. And it's going to be a gloss cover. And it's going to be a cream. And it tells me that it's going to be $4.57 per book to print through Barnes & Nobles at this page size.